So guys, we're going to be making eggplant sauce today. My eggplants, I've had them for about 3 weeks, so they're a little wilted, but we're still going to use it like that. So I'm going to cut this off. My hands are colored because I just finished working with fondant, so excuse my nails. I'm going to cut them in bits. Once you cut open an eggplant, oxidation starts, so it starts turning brown. It's perfectly normal. Don't be scared. There are different ways of making this eggplant. I want to use mine to eat with yam, so this is how I like it when I'm eating with yam or on the side with rice. Just cut it up into small bits like this. So now let's cut it. These things are very rich in antioxidants. It's a good thing to incorporate into your diet. And these eggplants, they are different species, they're different types. Some are short and really dark purple, and some are long like these ones. I noticed that the ones that are shorter are slightly bitter, more bitter than this. There's hardly any bitterness at all. I'm cutting this into small bits so that it will cook fast. I'm going to sprinkle in some salt just so it releases its juices. Keep it standing for a while. I want this really spicy. I'm putting this. The yellow pepper is quite spicy, really hot, so I'm putting all the pepper inside. You can reduce yours if you want, if you're not into that spicy life. So guys, this is what we'll be using. These are 2 fruits of tomatoes, of course, eggplant or aubergines, onion and red bell pepper. Here is pepper too, pounded with crayfish, and we're going to use the smoked fish too. The smoked fish, we're going to use a little for it. So now let's get cooking. Some vegetable oil, about 2 tablespoons of vegetable oil. So when it's hot, first thing I'm going to put is my onion. I've got some of the red bell pepper in there. I'm going to put my onion and then my pepper and crayfish mix, because I want the crayfish to release its aroma. I like the way it smells when it's frying or when it's fried. After about 30 seconds, I'm going to put in my red bell peppers now, followed by my tomatoes. But before putting the tomatoes, I just make sure I squeeze them just to release some of its juices. I don't want water in this, so squeeze it before you put it in. It's quite spicy, so I can feel the pepper already. So I'm now going to put in my eggplant, squeezing it a bit, because remember I put salt in it to help it release its juices. Eggplant is a good way to up your nutrition game. If you're seeking to lose weight, it's rich in fiber, so it will help you with your weight loss. And it's very easy to make. There are different ways. It's very versatile, really, it is. It's just one way, one of many ways to incorporate it into your diet. So just stir this a bit. I like the way it's looking. I like the colors. So I'm going to put half a seasoning cube. and some salt, just a little salt. Remember, we added salt. We sprinkled some salt on the eggplant. So guys, this thing is like ready. But if I were eating it with rice, this would have been okay for me. But since I'm eating it with yam, I'm going to mash it up a bit. Let me put the fish in now. What I'm going to do is mash this just gently to look more like a sauce. I will now put in a little bit of broth just to give it some liquid, since I'm eating it with yam. But if I were eating it with rice, like I said, this is okay for me. So guys, this is ready. I'm just going to sprinkle a bit of parsley just for additional flavor and color. So eggplant sauce is ready, guys. Here's the finished product. Looks really yummy and very good for your health too, and tastes nice. If you're not a fan of fish, you can leave out the fish, okay? It's completely optional. You can do this without fish, without meat. You can make this simple, just as simple as this, or even without the fish. Or you can make it as complicated as you want. You can put in all the orishi you like to put inside. It all depends on you. Thank you very much for watching, guys. If this is your first time on the channel, please consider subscribing. If you're already a subscriber, thank you for coming back. Thank you for all the support. Until next time, bye.